Hello lovely humans and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Charlie and I make alternative makeup and music content. Okay, so for once I have no disclaimers or apologies to make in the intro of this video, so I'm just gonna get into explaining what we're doing today. So as you've probably seen on the thumbnail of today's video, we are doing a new makeup look. I did this look for my TikTok a week or so ago, and it was very well received and a lot of people were asking for a tutorial. So that is what this is going to be. Also, quick question before we get started. Would you guys be interested in seeing me refilm my first tutorial with, obviously my better setup? Because the lighting in that one was rough, but it is one of my favorite looks. So I was wondering if you guys would like to see me redo that one. With all that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, so we are going to get right into the eye look. And for this one, we are going to use my favorite makeup cheat. Good ol' tape. If you are going to use tape to do this look, I recommend using like Scotch tape or washi tape or something else that is very gentle. I'm using electrical tape because I crave death and don't care about my own safety and well-being, but please don't do that. It's bad. So usually I would line it up basically right underneath my eye right there to get a really close wing. For this look, I'm going to bring it just like a couple millimeters down, I guess, so that there's a gap there so that the line can come through. Okay, perfect. I look like a complete clown again. It's fine. When you do the second piece of tape, I recommend looking like straight forward and really comparing as you place it down so you can get the same angle and placement, because it's gonna look pretty wonky if the tapes are placed too differently. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes with a kind of beige shade, and now I'm gonna start with this kind of rosy color, Mary from the James Charles palette. As usual, all the shades I'm using will be from the James Charles palette. And yeah, that's just gonna help everything blend out smoothly when we get to the darker shades. Also, if you're using a cheap brush that doesn't really blend shades out very well, blending with your finger can really help get a nice smooth blend. So now that that is done, moving on to the next shade, I actually lied. I will not only be using shades from the James Charles Morphe palette, I will also be using Relish from Urban Decay, and that is the next shade that I'm going to use. And at this point, I'm also going to begin blending it down along the tape under my eye. And repeat on the other eye. Now that that is all done, it is time to go into the black. So with the black, I'm going to be really concentrating that along the outside portion, creating kind of a wing both up and down, and bringing it just a little into the crease here. And the big thing with this look is to kind of follow the shapes of like the crease of your eye and where it kind of bends on the outside so that, it looks kind of not natural, obviously, but so that nothing feels out of place. Because it can definitely look quite awkward if you're not sort of following your eye. And then you can just kind of go between your red and your black until you get something that you are satisfied with. Next, I'm going to take my concealer and my little flat brush, and I'm just going to create a base on the lid for foiling a sparkly red shade. And you want to make sure while you're doing this, you're always kind of looking down so you don't get concealer on the upper parts of the shadow. Next, I'm going to take my little pointy brush and some gel eyeliner and just kind of create a wing going across the lid and down along the tape. Okay, and final step before we take the tape off is mascara. I accidentally bent my mascara wand a few days ago when I pulled it out of the tube, and for some reason it's been applying mascara a lot better bent. I don't get it. Okay, last thing I'm going to do on the eyes, I'm going to take a little bit of white eyeshadow on my flat brush and just apply it kind of in that triangle under the eye. Just kind of like that. I don't want to really make it like white, I just kind of want to bring it back to skin tone. Alright, I'm going to do my face and then I will be back in a minute to do lips. Alright, I've done my face and I am back to do lips. Now I don't remember what lip look I did with this eye look last time, however for this video I'm going to do a lip look that I have been doing quite a lot recently. It's pretty simple. Literally all you need is like an eyeliner, a black eyeliner or liquid lipstick or anything like that, and just like a chapstick or a lip gloss or something like that. So let's get into it. So to start, I am just going to outline my lips in black. And then once you've got them outlined, as long as the outer edge is clean, it doesn't really matter how it looks. You're just gonna kind of create a gradient, so just lightly apply the black sort of halfway into the lips. Kind of like that. Finally, you're just gonna take some lip gloss or chapstick or something similar and create a smooth gradient between the black and your lip tone. Just like that. And I have actually decided last minute here, I'm going to add some like, you know, make it like a clown smile, like a little one. So let's do that. Usually sisters not twins applies to your eyebrows, not your lips, but you know what, we're just gonna go with it. It's fine. This is fine. And here is the completed look. I really hope you like it. If you recreate this look, please post it on Instagram and tag me. I would love to see it. If you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like down below and subscribe to see more from me. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all of which will be linked in the description down below. And that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I can't wait to see you again soon.